Each day brings rewarding success, joyful happiness, and beautiful love into every aspect of my life. The best and the highest surrounds me and protects me at every moment. I attract love easily and effortlessly wherever I am, and I always accept love into every aspect of my life gladly, and I enjoy it passionately. I love and accept myself for the lovely person that I am. I am a special and marvelous creation. Thank you for creating me. I am a welcoming magnet for success, money, and prosperity, and I easily attract all of these luxurious things because I am an infinitely rich person inside and out. I am thankful for all of the good, kind, and beautiful things that I have in my life. I am truly blessed with the best and the highest. I grow younger, healthier, and more beautiful every day. I love myself for the precious human being that I am. It is my divine destiny to be happy, healthy, wealthy, loved, and pleasantly fulfilled. And I freely accept all of these beautiful things wholeheartedly. Thank you for my precious life. Thank you for this world in which I live. Thank you for all of the good and kind things that I experience at every moment. My life is simple and easy because that's how I enjoy making my life simple and easy. And I approach every task and situation in a positive and gentle way. I am special and unique in every way. And I am a very talented and gifted person. I am unique and one of a kind, and possess truly special qualities that are unique to me.